The reason why the Qenda Ultimate Fibre comes in a whole food powdered herb form is so you can mix it with water. And the reason why you mix it with water is so then the psyllium husk in the formulation absorbs it and it turns to a jelly-like consistency. So then when you've got that like 600 to 800 ml of jelly going through your digestive system, that can actually coat the full 360 degrees of your intestines and reach all the pockets of your intestines when it's going through there. And then also, that is the reason why it cannot be in capsule form, because if you drank the water and then have the capsules, you need the capsules to release straight away in your stomach. And there is no capsules that release that quickly. They'd pop in your mouth and stuff. All the capsules are more delayed release, and they come out in the small intestine or the large intestine. And by that point, it's too little too late. And that's why you actually mix the powder in the water, shake it up and drink it down fast before, say, 15 or 20 seconds, before it turns that jelly-like consistency. And then it can do all its magic once it gets into your digestive system. And that's why I believe whole food ingredients work so much better than tablets and capsules.